Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, we'll be showing you how to make this delicious oven-baked mini eggplant recipe. And this is a very simple recipe. It will take less than 20 minutes to make. And it's basically consists of chili peppers, turmeric, garlic, a lot of savory, delicious ingredients. And it's best served with roti. You can have it with bread, you can have it on its own. It's just a really versatile dish. So if you'd like to see how to make this dish, then please keep on watching. So first we're going to start off with our spices. First you'll need 10 cloves of grated garlic, 8 small chili peppers, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of fresh turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. You'll also need 1 cup of diced onions, 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, and lastly, of course, you need your eggplants. So we use 12 small, you could say mini eggplants for this recipe. And now we're going to move on to preparation. So first you're going to give your eggplants a quick rinse under the sink, and then we're going to cut into them. So what you want to do is you want to cut very gently, and you want to make slits on the sides of the eggplant. Now what this will do is that when it's in the oven with all of our savory flavors and spices, it's going to help the eggplant intake all of the flavors, and it'll soak in all of the flavors inside of the eggplant. Because if you just cook the eggplant as is, only the outside would get the flavor, on the inside it would just taste like a regular eggplant. What we want is all of the flavors to be inside of the eggplant. So that's why we're cutting it that way. And it also helps because eggplants tend to get very soft in the oven, and this helps it maintain somewhat of a shape when it's taken out of the oven. And now we're going to set our eggplants aside and move forward with our spices. So first you're going to take that 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, and you're going to put it into a saucepan, and you're going to heat it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's about medium heat. And then you're going to add in your onions. Now be careful, it may start to bubble up. And you're just going to add in the onions before you add in the other ingredients, because we want the onions to caramelize slightly before we add anything else. So you're going to probably let this caramelize for about 2 to 3 minutes. It depends on the heat setting that you put on your stove. So it's been about 2 to 3 minutes for us, so we're just going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So that includes the turmeric, the peppers, the garlic, the salt, pepper, everything else. And you're just going to add this all straight into the saucepan, and then you're going to mix all of this up. Now we're mixing all of this up into somewhat of a spice mix or a paste, so that we can add this straight onto our eggplants before putting them into the oven. So you're going to mix all of this up, and then you're going to let this saute on its own for about 3 minutes, just until everything is submerged into one another and the onions have caramelized completely. So it's been 3 minutes, and this is what your sauteed ingredients should look like. And now you want to take all of these ingredients, and you're going to put it straight on top of the mini eggplants that you cut earlier. And you're going to put all of this into an oven safe pan, because we're going to put this in the oven right after we mix everything up. And now we're moving on to our final step before the oven. So we're just mixing all of our sauteed ingredients together with the eggplants. Now there's no right or wrong way to do this. You're just mixing all of the ingredients into each one of the eggplants. We recommend using a pair of tongs, as we are in the video, because it's a lot easier to pick up the eggplants and then move everything around to make sure every eggplant has a little bit of the seasoning with it. You can also take the same seasoning and stuff the actual eggplants with the seasoning. It would also make for a delicious dish. So this dish can be made and revamped in any way that you see fit, but this is how we decided we wanted to do it. So you're going to take this and put it into the oven for 30 minutes on 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll be right back with the final result. And this is the final result. So a delicious mini eggplant recipe that's a nice savory dish that you can use with anything. I particularly like it with roti. It tastes delicious with roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Comment down below if you tried this recipe or any of our other recipes on our channel. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos weekly. And we'll be doing something special for October, so stay tuned for that. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever we upload. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching!